Hi, my name's Drew, and my mommy is a worker of the Keller Williams, and she will help you buy a house. So whenever you need a house, or whenever you know somebody who needs a house, call 443-418-7668 today. Hi, my name is Drew, and my mommy is Ellie McIntire, and she works for the Keller Williams place where you buy houses. So if you know anybody who doesn't have a house, and if they need a house, call them and then tell them to call 443-418-7668 today. Hi, my name's Drew, and my mommy is Ellie McIntire, who works with the Keller Williams. And if you know anybody. Hi, my name's Drew, and my mommy is Ellie McIntire, and she works for the Keller Williams. And if you need, this year she. Hi, my name's Drew, and my mommy is Ellie McIntire, and she works with Keller Williams. And this year she wants to sell 100 houses. So if you need a house, call 443-418-7668 today.